Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is to learn how to add blog post to rank website and customize the middle part in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. In this part I'll show you how you can add blog post, and blog post is very important for WordPress website, because this is the only thing what makes WordPress so powerful, so easy. And writing blog post, it's very important as well in terms of SEO, because without proper articles, without proper blog post, your website or get ranked. Okay, so make sure you people write blog posts beautiful. Just write articles at least once or twice in a week so that it becomes very easy to rank your website on Google, and writing articles, writing posts on the WordPress website. It's so simple that anyone can do that at any point of time without even any knowledge of technical skills. This is just the if you have any kind of skills to writing. If you want to just contribute anything to community, you can simply post articles on behalf of your business, on behalf of your organization, and on behalf of your blog, anything. Okay, so initially to write a blog post you have to go to new, and you can click on post. Also, you can go to the section, and after going to the section, you will find 4 tabs. One is all posts, one is add new posts, one is categories and remain, another is tagged. Okay, so all posts is if you had written couple of articles, couple of blog posts, you can find all of them in all posts. And if you want to create new article, you can go to add new artists, you can click on new, and you can click on the post option. It will redirect to a page where you can write blog posts, and this is the area where you can give the title, and this is the area where you can write in any kind of article or insert any kind of images. So for example, I want to take this part is heading. Okay, it is part as a blog post training, a heading. So this is the heading part, and I want to take something like, just for this demo purpose I'm taking this contents from the ebook. Okay, so this is the content, and that is so easy that anyone, if you have any small idea, any little bit idea of WordPress, a Microsoft Word, then you are ready to go, is saying exactly like the same functionality of Microsoft Word. There is no need of any kind of technicality. And after you post, after the filling all the details like heading and content, after that you have to select the category, in which case beggary you want to post this article. After that you can give any kind of text, or else if you don't want to give it a text, leave it, and then you can select an image that is called as featured image. You can select the featured image, then you are ready to go. After that you have to just simply click on publish button, the post will automatically publish. That's all what you need to do. And it is so easy. Without blog post a website won't get ranked. If you are thinking to create a website and to generate business from it for a long time, please make sure you just use this outlet, use this as a benefit, is this feature, because without that it is not going to be possible. And in this part I'll show you how we can customize this middle part. So as of now, this mellows are reflecting multiple times, like home is reflecting multiple times, about us is reflecting multiple times, and services the same thing. So in order to fix this issue, actually we have to customize our menu sections. So for example, For that we have to go to the dashboard, and after going to dashboard we have to go to appearance. This is appearance, then we have to go to menus. Guys, please understand there are two types of menu. One is mainly there are two types of menu. So it depends upon the team, depends upon the template, it might vary. The menu one is header menu, what is in the top, what you can see on the top of section, this is header middle, and if you seen any menu that is below, that is the bottom, that is full terminal. Okay, so initially as of now we need to fix our top menu, I mean header menu. Okay, so see all the products, all the pages are reflecting multiple times, because it is reflecting multiple times in Menlo sections, about is effective multiple times, men news is reflecting multiple time. So we have to bail it all these things, we have to just simply keep only one thing, only one page or only one link, after that we have to delete. Okay, so as of now I'm directing. After that I'll show you how you can add images, I mean pages, after how you can add link on the top menu bar, so that if you want to add any of the pages, you don't be having any issues for Rico for you. Okay, if you want to add any button or add any link, you don't have to worry about that. I'll show you the whole step-by-step process by which you can do that. So as of now I'm deleting the duplicate manuals, what is reflecting on website in the home page. So I have removed all the duplicate listings, duplicate minerals. Okay. So now what you have to do, if you want to add pages, for example, you have to go to the search option and you have to search for page. If you don't want to search, just click on view all, then you will get this option and then add to menu. After selecting the desired page you have to click on add to menu, it will automatically add. Okay, so now it's loading after is complete. See, this is automatically added on the menu section. You can customize the name, you can change the name, or you can just you can do whatever you can customize anything. Okay. It is so easy, and apart from that, if you want to add any custom links, you can simply paste the link. After that you have to give a title to the link, you give a middle name and then just click on add to menu, it will automatically save. You don't have to do any extra work. That's all what don't need. So after you complete the whole hour, just click on save menu, then WordPress will automatically save the menu and you don't have to worry for anything, and that will save the whole data. And that's all for today. Next video is to learn how to create contact form in WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.